Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Lutron is out with the Aurora Smart Bulb Dimmer, and if you have Philips Hue bulbs in use around the house, the new device to control them is a welcome addition, just about a must-have. There's no wiring needed. You simply add the Aurora to the Hue system via the app, and it cleverly attaches to a light switch, preventing the Hue bulb from being turned off accidentally. All the control you need, including dimming, is right in the Aurora. As for setup, Lutron's Melissa Andresko says,
it has to be a simple installation. People went the route of smart bulbs, had a very simple installation with just changing out their bulb. So we wanted this to be just as easy for them to do.
Mission accomplished. The Lutron Aurora Smart Bulb Dimmer is available now. You can find it selling for about $40. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.